what happens to your body when you die. Sustainable disposition, or how the body is handled and disposed of after death, can reduce our impact on the planet, even from the grave. The two most common means of disposition in the US are conventional burial and cremation. Conventional burial is a resource-intensive process that involves chemical embalming, fancy caskets, and buried concrete. Cremation is now the most popular option in the US, especially in cities where burial space is limited, but this is also very resource-intensive, using large amounts of energy and emitting pollutants into the air. A third disposition option that's legal in all 50 states is green burial. Green burial forgoes the embalming, fancy casket, and concrete for an option that's more sustainable, more environmentally friendly, and a simpler return to the earth in a biodegradable shroud or casket. This is how we used to do things just 150 years ago, and is how many Jewish, Muslim, and other communities continue to bury their dead today. My capstone research focuses on public awareness of and attitudes toward green burial options. Preliminary results show a lot of confusion, but also a lot of interest in finding a better way to take care of our dead. However, green burial still requires land, a scarce resource in our urban environments. The UN predicts that 68% of humanity will live in cities by 2050. So as our urban populations keep growing and growing and the climate crisis becomes more and more urgent, it's clear that we need to find a way to shift towards more sustainable, better disposition technologies. Aquamation relies on water and chemicals in lieu of fire, which is far less resource intensive and energy intensive than cremation and produces fewer greenhouse gases. Another option is natural organic reduction or human composting. For this, the body is placed on a bed of mulch, leaves, and flowers inside of a chamber, and over a period of months breaks down to produce compost. These green technologies are currently only legal in a handful of states, so we first need to legalize them across the country and the world. Investments must be made to scale up facilities and educational efforts. This can help us all go green, even in our last acts. Thank you.